Damn, bro, I cannot wait to get home. What? Me too, bro. Bro, we've been waiting for a minute. Where's the pilot? I don't know. I was wondering the same thing. Damn, bro, how do you fly this shit? Sir, your mic is on. Oh, shit. My bad, y'all. My name is Chase a Bag Mike. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. We're gonna be taking off here shortly once I figure out how to work this thing. Dog, why did you book this airline? Bro, it was the cheapest one. What you want me to do? Thank you so much for trusting me to be your pilot. Hey, real quick before we take off though, where the baddies at? Nah, ain't no way I'm gonna make it home safe. I'm gonna tell my mom I love her. That's crazy.